places in there.
115.
I'm scared. I can't even deal with this.
No, it's just that. I don't see anyone though.
No, it's a scooter. It's 4 pages.
Oh my
Oh,
freaking god.
about the house?
Yeah. I'm just really scared right now. I don't know what to do.
That's missing.
Whoa, you guys, way to break stuff. Oh, this is warm.
What's that in the back?
Carly, you're freaking me out. What's that?
The average person is becoming exhausted by reading the biography of Charles Briggs Knox, born in 1855 in Bishop's family in Montgomery County, New York. Eventually helped a grocery store clerk and wagon wheel factory.
I'm scared. I'm really
We
scared.
stuck
You're
2,000
scared.
Easter eggs for Johnstown for the moose.
They built one of the largest mansions in the city, Rose Hill, at a cost of $1.2 million.
What?
This house.
Oh, we're moving on. Move along. Move along.
Late 1800s.
Oh my lord. Did you hear that?
Don't go in there though, just look in there.
Oh my freaking god. Kind of part.